So now I am gonna show you about contacts. So if we want to send message to every user, then we just set first here our message and check spell tags for our message. Then we send to a new follower. Just there the setting, just click and here is the paste your message and check spell text. Then you click the send message. Here you setting the message you want. That means wait between 10 to 30 minutes is operation. Send between 1 to 1 message. Delay between 30 to 60 seconds. Message 20 to 20 per day. Maximum 20, minimum 20 messages per day. Send it. Secondary replay message. If you want to set a secondary replay message after replay so you can set here wait between 10 to 30 minutes. Send between 1 to 1 message, 30 to 60 seconds between is message. Message 20 to 20 per operation, delay and message setting. So this is the executed time. You know how to set up and why it need. So I do not discuss same thing, similar thing again and again. That's why I just show you the general setting. Then we just start it and this auto message tool is executing. So next we can see the direct message tool. Here we can contact with who is interact with us just directly from here. This is the work for direct message. Manage comment. It's not much usable tool. You just if you want to manage your comment who is posted by Jarvee, just if you want to replace someone from here directly without logging with your account, then you can just push here. Delete post. If you want to delete some post who is posted by Jarvee, then you just set up wait between 15 to 40 minutes, delete 1 to 30 posts per operation, delay between 30 to 60 seconds, execute between 12 am to 11:59 pm, and it's working on every day in a week. Delete limit, if you want to set 10 or 20 post delete per day, then you can set here 10 to 20. 20. Post filter, if you want to filter the post before delete, then you can select the filter post. After the setting, you just start it for delete post. Okay, then we're just going to delete comment. Delete comment is similar as delete post. You just setting runtime and delete limit setup. need to do. It's as similar as delete post, so that's why I do not want to repeat again and again same thing. So we can look block follower. If we need block some user from here, we can select the runtime. This is the general setting, so you just copy this setting again and again, and you just here for which account you want to block. So it will be execute when you started it. Okay.